Hey YouTube, I am back. I know it's been a while. I'm going to do another unboxing. Before we get into this guy, I just want to show something. An excellent point that was brought up. Why is it when you order online that you always tend to find these the Habanos and if or a second sticker? It always seems to be cut. Now, when I asked this to one of the vendors, they brought up a point that when the boxes are loaded, they tend to rip, to cut. And a good point, I just want to show this one here. We won't unbox this one today, but this is the Romeo and Juliet, the Capulitos. But this was sealed here. I mean, it's still sealed, but this was intact, and it did rip when I brought it home. You know what I mean? Like, it kind of gives. So I can see that. And some of the ones that I brought back from Cuba, you're gonna see. I'll just put this aside for now. That some are intact, and some actually are ripped. So, you know, take it for what it is, right? I mean, as long as the important part, you know, again, I know I keep saying this over and over, and you guys are going to get sick and tired of me saying it, but you have the tobacco sticker underneath, the government seal on top, yes, the micro printings, the barcode. We won't go through all that again, but anyway, that's yeah, I just wanted to bring that up because that was an excellent point. But anyhow, so what we got, I ended up picking up a couple of boxes of the St. Louis Ray, the Cuban release. Obviously, I was there. So as you can see, this one is December of 16. SGA is the factory code, but God knows. And the Habanos and the Totalmento a mano, like, this is really burnt in, like very sharp, crisp, deep. But yeah, it looks like the box is kind of really packed. So let's get right into it. I do have some photos I want to post, but I think I gotta better my my knowledge on how to edit. We're getting there slowly, just bear with me, but we will get there. Let me cut this here. All right. And the latch. And this guy is, one sec. All right. So we have the St. Louis Ray, the Marquéz. Again, like, burnt in deep and dark. We have our cedar sheet, nice and thick too. And already, oh, I never get tired of that. And already you can smell that sweet, sour Cuban tobacco smell. Like, there's nothing like it in the world. We have our parchment for the Vitola. We have the second parchment and the wax paper. And it looks like a little, yeah, I would almost say a little bit of mold on that, but really smooth wrappers. But yeah, if you can see it right here, because it comes off really easy. And I'm not going to edit this video because I want you guys to see that. Like, not every box is perfect, right? But that, you know, I'm not worried of that on that at all. but just look at how, you know, tight, no seams, like really, really beautiful sticks. So let's let me grab one here. Put this down, and we can actually take a look here. Get it to focus. There you go, the St. Louis Ray. A little green spot, no big deal, but the rest of that, really, really nice. And what a smell. Oh, wow. Let's take a look at the foot here. There you go. Nice bunching. Beautiful. There you go. Let's take a look at another one. Really, really nice sticks. Big sticks. Like I knew the size, but kind of surprised me a bit. But very nicely packed. Beautiful looking cigars. And the smell, like I said, like wow. Excellent, excellent. But anyhow, there you have it, guys. So the St. Louis Ray, the Cuban release. You know, a little bit of, I mean, they're a year old, but yeah, with a little bit of, you know, I don't want to call it plume. Like it's kind of, I would lean more toward, yeah, it's a little bit of mold. Not a big deal, easily can wipe it off. But the sticks themselves are absolutely gorgeous. So there you go. So next video, we will do the Romeo and Juliet. And we'll continue on. I know I promised some videos ago about doing other lighters. I will get to that as soon as I get a chance. All right, guys. So again, hit like, subscribe, keep posting comments. I really do like that. That is so awesome. You know, please, like, if somebody has more knowledge than me and can respond, I mean, feel free. And as I always said, if I don't have the answer, I will get an answer for you. So we shall talk again soon. Cheers.